yeah, maybe you could walk us through some more of the more sort of common misconceptions, and yeah, debunk them.
Well, the first one is that it's a man's job, obviously, and it's a global pandemic. I think 20% of women in technical jobs, 20% of people in technical jobs in software are women. And yet, when you look at our campus, the women outperform the guys. I'm sorry, I said it. I said it. It's the truth. And when we first started, our first cohort was just 6% women. And we've been working very hard to increase that number. Last year, we were at 25%. And this year, we're likely to recruit for 2021. At least 40% of our recruits are going to be women. And what you find is, just like I said about what you need to be able to code, these are totally things that girls can do and do really, really well. And what you find is it's not just the young women, the people that influence them, the teachers, parents, cousins, everyone is like, no, it's for boys. So I just want to debunk that straight away and say there are a lot of girls in coding and we're cool too. The other misconception is that you'll be relegated to some basement and, you know, they'll feed you through a tube and you never get out. And yet the truth is there's just such a variety of cool things to do. There's front-end development, which is what most users see. That's the graphics, the pictures, the colors, you know, which is a lot more of a creative space, gaming as well. And then there are some stricter professions, you know, like in finance and so forth. But literally anywhere where you go and there's a computer and there's someone there, that computer is using software and a developer made it. So the sky is really the limit in that regard. The other misconception is that if you're not mathematically minded, you'll struggle. And one of the interesting things, for example, is that people that do well with languages also do well with software development. There's a high correlation because linguistics is similarly about, you know, constructing sentences in a very particular way to communicate a particular thing. And coding is about telling the computer what to do using a very particular language. And so those are some of the misconceptions that are out there that keep people that would be brilliant at this thing out of participating.